Hi, today I'm at Rod Fai Restaurant Night Market, Hua Hin. We have special seafood pie for you. One lobster, three tiger prawn, three river prawn, two scallop. All this 1,200 baht, 36 US dollar.
This is my favorite dish. It is the tiger prawns. It's very huge one. Some of our customers they said that they never seen the big size like that before. But good. When we cooking by grill with garlic and butter. The price up to the season start from 1,000 baht until 1,500 baht for. When you order four, we can make two-way cooking. Two by size, the other two by size. Maybe grill for two, garlic pepper for two. Up to the customer order. But if they need the grill one, we can make grill all. Yes. But when we grill, we have to use a short time grill. When we use a long time grill, it's really hard and dry, not good for big size. Have to be medium size, good for grill. Actually, it's up to the chef cooking. Our chef was good. More than 10 years experience chef for cooking that one. It's all good for you and for all good for customer. Reasonable price, high quality. No satisfy, no pay. It's the same of our slogan. It's all good. So we are Rod Fai Seafood. This is our promotion seafood set for the all customer that like the seafood. So we serve one lobster, three tiger prawns, and three river prawns, also two of scallops. That we can make two style preparation too. The lobster can be grilled, stir fry with garlic peppers or cheese. And the other prawns have to be grilled. Most of the set is 1,200 baht. Net price, no service charge, no VAT charge. The lobster is almost 700 grams or 750 grams. The prawns almost 250 grams. The river prawn have to be 200 grams for serve. This is all of our set. Good for 2 or 3 people that you have to order some fried mixed vegetable or fried rice beside the dish for you. The lobster, small size from Krabi. The bigger size, more than 1 kilogram, is from Vietnam. But bigger size from Vietnam, not the good taste. They don't have the meat on the head. This is from Thailand, a lot of meat on the head and the body. But actually, the lobster, the body almost have the meat, the head, no meat. When we cooking something for the customer, we take the meat out, cooking. After that, we put it back to the shelf and serve the customer. It's all good for them. The tiger prawn is many ways for cooking. The first way is the grill with garlic butter. The second way is garlic and peppers. The third way that the many people order is the black peppers or tamarind sauce on top. It's good for. And the river prawn have to be grilled. It is the best way because Thai people they don't love the meat, they love the creamy on the head. And the price for the small size is very low. But when they are grow up, like the lobster, the price is so high, almost 2,800 a kilo, like that. And you can find only in Ayutthaya, not here, not everywhere. Have to be until the end of November. But if you need more bigger, the price have to be a little bit more bigger too. Sure. You need that one? This is our promotion set for seafood. One portion is 1,200 baht, include with the lobster, tiger shrimps, and king prawns, a lot. And we can make 2 style preparation for you. What would you like to cooking? We can make thermidor cheese, we can make grill, we can make stir fry with garlic pepper for you. And the other have to be grilled.
Garlic butter.
Okay, this one garlic butter and that one?
Garlic butter.
Also garlic butter, all grilled. Okay, okay. All good for you. Enough for 2 or 3 people. Yes.
เงินนั่นนะเคยทำอะไรเนาะ
กินมาไม่ได้ไม่ได้นี่มันกินมาขอซื้อดูไว้สักหน่อยได้ไหมเนี่ยได้เอาตัวนี้ไว้ดีเยอะเลยไปใส่ยาเรื่องแล้วเนี่ยดูโคตรดีแล้วเราย่าเลยว่าทำมันดีอะไรเนี่ยได้ยาเสียครับ
Okay, I will try lobster now. This lobster from Krabi in Thailand. First, I will try without seafood sauce. Now I try with seafood sauce. Okay, I will try tiger prawn now without seafood sauce. Now I try with seafood sauce. Now I will try scallop. Now I try liver prawn. โอ้เขาจะขึ้นบิดแล้ว all very fresh and tasty I like garlic and butter this all 1,200 baht 36 US dollar very good price this promotion until end of November thank you for watching please subscribe and like bye bye